In this work, we start by going to our model wizard. We'll be using a 3D space dimension, which we select. Then we want to first build our geometry. So let's select done. Okay. And immediately we go to our geometry. We select parts. And we're going to create a path for it. We're going to create paths under this. So geometry and create a path. First, we'll create our bolts. So yeah, basically the idea is to create a geometry path for the bolts, the nuts, and flanges. So this for the bolts. And under the units, the length units, let's use millimeters. And we right click our geometry, and under we select the work plane. So we locate the plane definitions and the plane type. Under the plane, we select the YZ plane. Okay. And under the plane geometry, you're going to add a polygon. Locate the coordinates for this polygon. And let's use vectors based on this data source for the coordinates. So we'll enter the data sources for the X, W, the Y, W vectors. X is going to be these values. 0. We have 2.5. We have 0. We have 0. We have 5.9. We have 5.9. We have 2.5. We have 2.5 again. We have 2. And under the YZ, we have 0, 0, 16, 16, 16, 20, 16.7, 16, 16, 0.5. We have 0. So as we've done to this far, I want to check if everything is in line. Of our boats. Sorry. We go to our boats. And under the geometry, we select the revolve. And under the revolution angles, let's uncheck this part. Let's go to the work plane tool. And under the plane definitions, we select a work plane. And under the work plane, look at the plane definitions. And under the Z fields, we have 21.4. We have our plane geometry. We have our polygon. Work plane 2. And polygon 1. Okay, the coordinates. Yes. See if we can add polygons. And, have a polygon here. These vectors. And xy will be 0, 0, 0, minus 2, and 9, 8, 37. 0, 4.6. 4.6, 4.6, 2.3. F transforms. We can add this transforms. We add the rotates. Polygon 1. And under the rotation section in the angle field, should be a range from 0, 16 to 16. Go to Booleans and partition, and we'll add a union. And right here, we select all. We select all here. That's let's uncheck this keep interior boundaries. Under the geometry, extrude 1. Distances, the table be 5 meters. Booleans and partition, and we add the union. And select or select both parties. We uncheck this keep interior boundaries. So we add another part. This time, I think we should add it create parts. The settings, this will be for the nuts. Units will be in millimeters. Add a wake plane. in the definition is look at the YZ. And add a rectangle. And under the side and shape of the rectangle, for the width to be 2.26, 2.253. The height will be 3.38. The XW field will be 2. And the YW field will be 8. Add a chamfer. Add a chamfer. So 8.1. It's 0.1 and 2, R1, 1 and 2. So after that, what we're gonna do is, well, this is 1 and 4, sorry. Look at the distance. The distance from the vertex is 0.4. We add another chamfer. We select only 5. The distance will be 0.26. We add a rectangle. The width is 1.15. Height is 0.7. And in the XW field, we have 3.103. Y field is 10.68. we add a rectangle. Sorry, 0.7. Let me add another rectangle. This is the third rectangle that we're adding. The width is 0.6, height is 0.7. The XW field, we have 0.6. Okay. In the Y field, you have 0.9. That's clean. Booleans and partitions. I'm gonna choose difference. And this is difference. I'm going to activate this toggle button. Select R3. R3, R2. Only. So add another part. And it's gonna be the flange. The unit section is gonna be millimeters. Geometry is going to be a block. And then the size and shape width is 16. Depth is 2.6. Height is 2.5. For the X field, -8. For Y field, -9. Y field is 13. Geometry, you're gonna add a cylinder. We're gonna locate the size and shape, and on the radius is going to be 3.3. Height is going to be 3. And another position section, which is the Z, is going to be 13. And under the X field is going to be -8. And the Y field is going to be 13.5. And the Z field is going to be 13. Add Booleans and partitions. And we choose the difference. And we forgot to add cylinder 2. This cylinder 1. Cylinder 1. Let me cylinder 1. Okay, cylinder 1. Cylinder 2. Oh, this is a circle, sorry. Oh, yes, let me undo this part and add the other cylinder before we continue. Okay, so this cylinder 1, 0.33, and we have the block 16, the depth of 22.5. And we add another block 2 before the cylinder 2. We add a block 2. That has to be weight of 16, depth of 3.75, height of 2.4. And in the X field, -8, Y field 13.5, Z field 13. And for cylinder 2, we locate the size and the shape. The radius is going to be 2. The height is going to be 3. Now in the position section, the X field is going to be 8. The Y field is going to be 17.25. Z field is going to be 13. Now we can add the difference. So row difference. Block 1 only. And under the difference section. And we select cylinder select cylinder 1 only. And we go to geometry, Booleans, and we add another difference. And that'll be block 2. That'll be block 2. This is block 1. This is block 2. We subtract block 2 and we yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, okay. This cylinder has to be before this. So this goes this way. So yeah, you want to select. So here's for difference 1, block 1 minus cylinder 1, difference 2, block 2 minus cylinder 2. And go back to geometry. And also we add a mirror. Perfect. We add everything. Under the input object, let's select the keep input. Look for the point on plane of reflection in the Y field. It's going to be 17.25. Locate the normal vector to plane of reflection, and the Y field to it's going to be 1. Z field is going to be 0, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna end at this point, so we continue building it in the next video. So please, if you've been able to follow to this point, please kindly watch the next video so you could see how you finally build this geometry. So I'll see you in the next video, and please, if you have any questions so far, please let me know. Okay.